what is the biggest threat to Google's continued success? So to help me give it from the horse's mouth, how should I answer that?
Google.
The problems in a company of Google's scale are always internal at some level.
Yeah, that's why I said Google.
You know, Larry.
So actually, I've been saying something like that. So thanks.
So Larry actually, you didn't sort of talk about your management memo, but one of the things that he did after he became CEO in correcting all the messes that I handed to him, were he wrote a very, very defined memo about innovation, how decisions are made, and so forth. And it's large companies are their own worst enemy because internally they know what they should do, but they don't do it. And if I may say, my business partner and close friend Larry, what does he do all day? He's doing that. He's in there forcing the discussion, forcing the choice, and forcing the resolution, right? Sort of with his sort of unique talents. And I think that will ultimately determine how hugely successful Google is or not.
Yeah, one of the interesting things we noticed was that companies correlate on decision-making and speed of decision-making. There are basically no companies that have good slow decisions. There are only companies that have good, fast decisions. And so I think that's also a natural thing. As companies get bigger, they tend to slow down decision-making. And that's pretty tragic.